Hello everyone and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Hemant and I'm here back with another interesting notification regarding the cutoff marks and the SSB date selection of the shortlisted male candidates for the SSC Tech 57 course, which is going to be commissioned very soon at Officers Training Academy, Chennai. Few days back I've already discussed about the notification regarding the SSC Tech Women 28th course, and regarding that I've discussed the details, and I've told you in the same notification that about SSC Tech 57 course about the male candidates also is going to be coming very soon, and this is an update regarding that. If you're already a follower of SSB Crack Exams website, and if you're already following us on all sort of social media platforms like Insta, Telegram, Twitter, and in all of these platforms, you might have already known the update regarding this. But if in case you're only following it on YouTube, then this is an update for all of you people, and it is an also call for you people to please do make sure that you're following SSB Crack Exams on all sort of channels so that you'll get the updated notification as soon and as faster as possible. Right guys, so I shall start off with the notification related details and all. So before starting, I would like to introduce to you about SSB Crack Exams. SSB Crack Exams is India's largest, most preferred online defense exams preparation portal, wherein which we people help serious defense aspirants crack their defense examinations. We have the content in the form of the video lectures, live classes, study plans and notes that make your preparation content much more stronger and brighter. If in case you are also a one particular candidate who is shortlisted or is going to be shortlisted for this particular SSC Tech 57 course, then I highly recommend that you please do download SSB Crack Exams learning app from Google Play Store, and thereafter subscribe yourself towards the OER test and paperity course, which will help you people in qualifying the stage 1 of the SSB interview, and it will also give you a proper amount of idea regarding the stage 2 of the services selection board procedure, right? So please do not forget to use the code warrior10 to get a proper amount of discount off on all of our courses, and you can interact with our defense counselors to get a proper amount of admission into the course, and also to start off with your course with proper amount of plan and analysis. Let us start off with the notification related details. I will first discuss with you about the brief notification about the notification and the brief information about this one, and then I will also discuss about the cutoff marks for each and every particular branch of the engineering. So this is for the engineering graduates and only some of the technological graduates and all. So I will discuss about what is the cutoff and what are the details regarding that. The notification is already done, and if you are aware with the notification, then you might be knowing which particular branches or which particular sections of the engineering and all are eligible for this particular entry. So regarding that, many people have applied. So those who have applied only, they will be getting the call letter. They will be getting an opportunity to select the SSB date selection links. So what is the cutoff marks, and how are they shortlisted, and where can we go and select the date selection links and all, this I will discuss in this particular information, right? Starting off with the shortlisting of the males for the SSC Tech 57 course, Indian Army has published this particular dates and cutoff for the shortlisting candidates. And if you have to go through how was the cutoff percentage considered for those engineering passed candidates and all, if they have already passed their engineering, then their final semester or final cumulative marks will be taken into consideration. And for those candidates who are architecture related ones, for them about 8 semester cumulative will be considered while they are going through with the that particular course. This will be the shortlisting, and thereafter the cutoff marks will be considered for ongoing engineering candidate. That means for those graduates who have not finished their engineering, who are still doing their engineering, then the cumulative percentage will be taken up to the 6th semester. Okay, and for those candidates who are from MSc in the notified streams, as far as the stream is considered in the official notification, for them the second semester or cumulative will be second year semester or cumulative will be considered. Their final year semester will be considered as the main important ones. Okay, so this is the main important ones. Let us start off and go through with what is actually the cutoff percentage regarding the engineering streams. So for the civil engineering and the building construction technology, the cutoff percentage is now taken up as 60%. For architecture, it is 60%. For mechanical engineering graduates, it is 82%. Extremely high. Every time the mechanical graduates have to go through the highest amount of percentage. So it gives a clear understanding. If you are an engineering graduate in mechanical engineering, or if you are going through with mechanical engineering, make sure that you cross a minimum of 80% plus. That will be very important. Thereafter, even the electrical and electronics engineering graduates also have a highest cutoff percentage, which is around 74%. Okay, so the competition is very high in mechanical and electrical engineering. Then comes electronics graduates. For them, the cutoff percentage is 60%. For computer science engineering, computer technology, and MSc computer science graduates, it is around 60%. For information technology, it is 60%. For electronics and telecommunication engineering, 60%. Only telecommunication, that means basic telecommunication engineering, it is 60%. electronics and communication engineering 75%. This also gives a clear understanding. Those ECE engineering, electronics and communication engineering graduates also should score very, very high. So three main important engineering streams that have high amount of cutoff percentage are mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, and electronics and communication engineering. Basically, even computer science engineering also has the highest amount of cutoff, but this time candidates are very fortunate where CSC graduates have lesser amount of cutoff. So it's a very lucky opportunity for them. For satellite communication engineering, it is 60%. For microelectronics and microwave engineering, it is 60%. And for aeronautical, aerospace and avionics engineering graduates, it is 60%. Moving on forward, for electronics and instrumentation engineering, 60%. Automobile engineering, 60%. Production engineering, 60%. Industrial manufacturing or industrial engineering and management, 60%. Optoelectronics, 60%. Fiber optics, 60%. Biotechnology engineering, 60%. Ballistics engineering, 60%. Rubber technology, 60%. And also this time chemical engineering also has been considered. This particular engineering also has highest amount of cutoff, around 72%, because people are showing highest amount of interest in the chemical engineering based upon the jobs that are being offered in the private and the public sector also. So candidates who are doing chemical engineering have higher amount of opportunities and different kinds of scenarios. Even this time also the chemical engineering ones there have a highest amount of cutoff, and workshop technology it is 60% and laser technology it is 60%. Okay, so these are the final amount of cutoffs. So please log on to joinindianarmy.nic.in to get selection and to apply for the proper amount of dates regarding this. Candidates who got shortlisted must choose their SSB dates on the link which is now open. Okay, so if you did not select any particular date or slot, you will be given a slot automatically by the army website. And if army is giving a cutoff, if army is giving any kind of date, then you have no idea whether it will be feasible for you or not. That is the reason why we at SSB Crick Exams make sure that all of the candidates do select their dates and choose their dates as much faster as possible. If you choose your dates, then you will be able to book your travel allowance tickets, and you will also be able to plan and coordinate accordingly about whatever plans you have. Okay, so select your dates as soon as possible to avoid any kind of ambiguity. And before selecting your dates, if you are going through with the first time, before selecting your SSB dates for the first time, then you should fill up your Aadhaar details and also the bank details which are mentioned. Only after filling that, you will be able to open up with this particular list that you can find out here. So go through with that particular one and finish your date selection link. After you select your dates, you will be given, it will show you directly a message that your date selection, choice selection is successful, and your date for SSB at so and so particular place is from so and so date to so and so date. So like this, it depends on whichever date you're selecting. Choose your dates as soon as possible to avoid the ambiguity and book travel tickets and prepare and plan yourself accordingly. Okay, make sure that you select your dates as soon as possible, guys, and also make sure those candidates who are doing that 10+2, it's a proper amount of thing. If you're also watching this particular section, I personally do recommend, if you are very, very interested to join Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, then more number of opportunities are offered for the engineering graduates. Okay, so I personally do recommend that you take engineering because there are many number of entries. SSC Tech is mostly for the technological graduates, so you will be having many number of opportunities. And choose a proper amount of engineering, join in that particular stream, and study well and proper. And it's a kind of suggestion. If you're interested, you can take and go through with that, right? So those who are actually selected and who are going through with the selection procedure and who are selecting these dates, the moment you finish your selection, please do download SSB Crick Exams learning app and go through with OIR test and PPT, SSB interview screening test, because many number of candidates, around 90% to 95% of the candidates, generally they get screened out on the day one itself. From around 200 to 300 candidates, only 20 to 30 candidates will be shortlisted for the screening. It depends on the number of candidates who are eligible for that. Sometimes the selection will be very high, sometimes it will be very low, but many number of candidates face a lack of basic amount of knowledge and basic communication skills, and they might be facing many number of problems and issues in the screening. And we in this particular course, we have made a proper amount of analysis regarding the officers intelligence rating test, so that candidates will score more number of OER rating, and also candidates will be able to give proper amount of story, and they will be able to discuss with the group accordingly about the tips regarding the discussion and how to move forward. All of these things will be discussed in this particular course. Please do download. And in this particular course, we have the course in the form of the notifications and exam dates, personality development and motivation, and PPDT about the picture perception and the description test and all. About OER practice sets are also given, and OER verbal and non-verbal reasoning is also given. So please go through with that. We have the content in the form of of the video lectures, live classes, study plans and notes, and every particular mock test is also being made into proper amount of analysis. Other than these OER test and PPT course, if you are preparing for any other upcoming defense examination like CDS, AFCAT, INET, Territorial Army and all, please do subscribe yourself towards that original course also to get a proper amount of understanding regarding the subject analysis. And along with the original course, make sure that you take our mock test series also. Okay, these are considered to be the game changers. So once you go through with the mock test, you will be able to understand how well are you prepared and well versed for the examination. Complete syllabus is updated on a day-to-day format, and the best part is you can have an offline access towards your application, guys. And that's all for this particular section. Do not forget to use the code warrior10 to get a proper amount of discount off on all our courses. That's all for this session. I will see you guys in the next most important notification and all. Until then, stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams. Follow us on all sort of social media platforms to get proper amount of updates and to stay tuned with the proper amount of level and motivation regarding the complete defense affairs and issues that are going on in our country and in the abroad. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, be confident. All the very best, guys. Jai Hind.